Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, we will learn how to split text in two columns in Microsoft Word with simple and easy steps. So, simply follows these steps. Okay. This is my Word document. And I want to convert this text into the two columns. Alright. First, highlight the text. And go to the Layout option. Then, click on Column tab. And then click on Two Column option. Okay. You can see that your paragraph has been divided into the two columns. For example, I'm not going to change whole of the text into the two columns. Rather, I want to convert few lines into the two columns. So, simply select this text you want to convert to two columns. Click on Columns, and select 2. In this way, some of the text would be converted into the two columns, while rest will be available in the one column. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.